So we lost our Auntie Kathy a few years back now, and my mum's been wanting to do something with her ashes. So she's asked me if I would make her a pendant for a sister, and I said yes, definitely. But I wanted to make this really special. I wanted to use old recycled silver spoons. This one is from Nevada. DNA, whatever that means. It's got hallmarks on. This one here is Howard Silver, whatever that means. So I'm going to actually make the whole pendants out of these. I'm going to make two because I want to make my mum one as well. So I'm going to make the bezels out of this, and then I'm going to put the ashes inside, and then we're going to put some yellow opal and some yellow glow-in-the-dark pigment in there as well. I think it's going to look beautiful, but we've got to see how the bezels turn out first. She wants them really small. She doesn't want great big things. She wants little small things. I mean, I think that we're going to probably go for around I don't know, something like that small. I don't know. We'll see. That's what, ½ inch. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Well, there you are. You know what? I always say this, and I do actually mean it. I really enjoyed making these. You know, I've never actually made a bezel before, so this is a first for me. And I think they turned out quite nice, didn't they? I mean, the jumper, the ring at the top there, I really wanted to make use of the silver. I mean, that's from a fork. It's not actually from this spoon, but it's still a silver fork. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way they turned out, and I'm hoping that my mom and my aunt wear them. They actually, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge them, then I'm going to turn the light out. There you go. Is that cool or what? I need charging for a second, but looks alright, doesn't it? Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, I've never made one of these bezels before, let alone out of an old silver spoon. It turned out okay. They're not perfect. There's a few little marks and things like that, but you know what? the fact that it's been made out of an old spoon, and it's the first time for me, and that, and I think my mom and my auntie's gonna love them. They've turned out nice. I'll be making more, so I might actually buy some sheet silver, some sterling silver, and practice, I suppose. But yeah, they've turned out really nice. So the pigments I used. Ooh, where are we? Oh. So the luminescence, or the glow in the dark stuff, I used the yellow and yellow green, and then I mixed them up with the Sig Wong yellow. This is mica powder, so I'll mix them up like that. I mean, this isn't going to go to waste. I'll use it on something else. There's no ashes in this. This is just colour, so it's pointless wasting it. But yeah. So there you go. I'll leave a link to Amazon, where I bought all these bits and pieces from. And I'll see you next time. Better clean up now, hadn't I? Oh yeah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. I can't seem to move off to 2,801, I think it is. So hit the subscribe button, do me a favour, and like it and share it. Why not?